Hello learners, welcome back to the Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. Here in this session, we'll explore the SRN process or service receipt note in Lighthouse ERP. This process is used to record and manage services received from vendors or contractors, whether or not they are linked to a service order. Our focus will be on how an SRN is prepared, verified and billed, and we'll use examples from the service order workflow to illustrate the steps. Purpose of SRN: 1. Verify services. Confirm that services have been decided as agreed upon. 2. Track services. Record services received for inventory accounting and reporting purposes. 3. Manage vendor relationships. Ensure vendors meet their obligations and provide quality services. Key features: 1. Service details. Capture details of services received, including description, quantity, and quality. 2. Vendor information. Record vendor details, including name, contact information, and agreement terms. 3. Receipt date and time. Track the date and time services were received. 4th. Verification and approval. Enable verification and approval of services received. SRN preparation. The SRN process usually begins after a service order has been approved. We'll start by looking at the service order from which the SRN will be created. Here, all details such as vendor name, division, service description, and agreed rates are recorded in the service order. From this service order, the SRN will pick up all essential information to avoid re-entry of data. Once the items are added, the service order is saved and approved. After approval, we can proceed to prepare the SRN by referencing the service order. The SRN records the reported quantity, inspected quantity, and any remarks for acceptance or rejections. SRN verification. Friends, once prepared, the SRN is sent for verification by the department that raised the request. Here, the department verifies the reported quantity against actual work completed and provides approval or necessary comments. This step ensures that only completed and satisfactory services are recorded in the system. SRN bill passing. After verification, the SRN moves to the accounts team for bill passing. This step involves matching the vendor's invoice with the verified SRN, ensuring all quantities, rates, and taxes are accurate. Once approved, the system generates the accounting voucher for payment processing. Benefits of SRN process. The SRN process in Lighthouse ERP helps in maintaining accurate records of services received, ensuring accountability through verification before payment, linking service receipts directly to financial transactions, improving transparency in vendor payments, improve service quality, accurate verification and quality control checks, increased efficiency, streamlined process for receiving and verifying services, reduced errors, minimized errors in service-related activities and payment processing, better vendor management, effective management of vendor relationships, enhanced compliance, ensures compliance with organizational policies and procedures. Importance of SRN process. 1. Service verification ensures services meet required standards and specifications. 2. Accurate record keeping bids, better tracking and management of service-related activities. 3. Payment processing supports accurate and timely invoice approval. 4. Service quality control confirms services received meet required standards. 5. Vendor management ensures obligations are met and service quality is maintained. 6. Compliance aligns with organizational and regulatory requirements. 7. Auditing and reporting provides a clear paper trail for audits and reports. 8. SLA management helps manage contracts and service levels. 9. Dispute resolution. Clear records help resolve issues quickly. 10. Continuous improvement, analyzing SRN data highlights areas to improve. That's the complete overview of the SRN process in Lighthouse ERP, demonstrated using the service order workflow, friends. In our next video, we'll move to repair management, an important process for handling material repairs efficiently. Until then, keep learning with Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy.